Hi everyone. In this video, we are talking about the most important concept in Cypress, that is locators. Locators are used to identify and interact with the web elements like buttons, input fields, checkboxes, and many more. If your locators are strong, your automation test will be stable and reliable, guys. If they are weak, your test will break frequently. So in this video, we'll cover what locators are in Cypress, different types of locators, the best practices for writing the locators, and the real example with the code. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll see what are locators. Locators are a way to find the web elements on a page so that the Cypress can perform the actions like click, type, select, and check. So in Cypress, locators are mainly used with the command cy.get. Okay, so let us see one by one in action. So this is the website I've been using. This is called this is the website from sourcedemo.com. I will attach this link in the comment section. So whenever you right click on the page and click on inspect, this particular elements tab will be open. So just select this inspect tool and hover over the field which you want to inspect it and click on it. So you will be highlighted with this particular HTML code. So when you come to this, just click on Control plus F. So then this particular box will be open. So the first selector I'm gonna explain you is the ID selector. So these ID based selectors are unique attribute, guys. So these are a way to identify that particular element. So in uh, CSS, this will be used with the key called slash, sorry, hash. So come here and just copy the ID if you find it. So here is the ID. I'm going to type the hash and paste it here and press enter. So if you see it here, you can see 1. So that means in this page by the ID username, one element is present. So you can confidently use this in the project. Okay. Coming to the second selector. This is called class based selectors. So these are identified by using a period symbol. Okay, so I'll copy this and click, type dot and paste it. So you can see there are two elements in it. I recommend ID over class because class based selectors are frequently changed and they are auto generated. So whenever you want to write a test case, if you are using class, if at all any changes are happening, like CSS related changes are happening, this will automatically change. So the next attribute selector is attribute selector. So if you want to identify this username by not using the ID, just go here and this is the attribute and value. This is the attribute and value. You can use anything, or else you can see type text. This is also attribute and value, and just copy this whole and just by using the square brackets just paste it here. So this is how the attributes based selectors are being used in Cypress. The next one is the custom data attributes. So whenever you find two attributes called this data slash cy and data test id, just go ahead and use that. If you see here, I can see data test username. I'll go here again, I will open the square brackets and paste it. You can see one element is been identified. Go ahead and paste it here. I'll expand it to make it clear. Yep. So we'll move on to the another selector. The another selector is tag name based selector. So I will do one thing. I'll go inside the page. Here are the usernames and password. I'm clicking on login. So here, when you inspect this add to cart, you can see a tag name called button. Okay, this is the tag name. Here the tag name is div. Here the tag name is div. If you open here, the tag name is a. So these are the tag name, guys. Okay, I'll use the tag name called button. So whenever you want to identify, you can identify like this in Cypress. Okay, this is how you identify the elements by using the tag name. And you can also select by using the combination selectors. What does this mean? I'll use the same thing. I'll use the tag name, and then I'll use the ID selector. As I have said, you should use the this symbol and paste it here. And whenever you press this enter, you can see that it is been highlighted. This is how you use the combination selector. I'll write it here. Okay. The next selector is text based selector. So what is this? So if you can see here, here is the name called add to cart. So you can use cy.contains method in Cypress and then write add to cart, and then you can use some other methods and you can be able to identify this particular element. Okay, and also you can use like this. Press it here. It is saying the tag name and the text present in it. So in this both ways you can be able to identify the elements. Okay, we'll be moving to the another advanced way to select, that is transversing DOM selectors. This is how you identify. I'll paste it here. I have written it in the other tab. So here, to find inside another element, this is the CSS, and just use the find method to transverse to another element inside it. This is the way you navigate through parent and child. And if at all you find any list of elements in a web page, you can identify by using the list. And if you want to select the first one, you can use this method called first. And if you want to select by using, if you want to identify the last one, you can use the method last. So apart from this, you can also use the XPath, guys. So this is not defaultly available in Cypress. If you want this to be installed in your project, just use this npm command and try to import this. But I don't recommend you people to use the XPaths because Cypress doesn't defaultly uh, support XPaths. So if at all, if there is any project that you have written in Selenium, and if you want to convert that into Cypress, I suggest just go ahead and install this third-party package and then straight away use it. Okay, I will also tell you the priority which you need to follow. This is the priority order, guys. Whenever you are inspecting an element in Cypress, just keep in mind this is the priority order. Whenever you find the data test IDs, just go ahead and use it. If data test IDs are not present, just go ahead with the IDs. And then names, stable attributes. Okay, the placeholder is a stable attribute and the name is the stable attributes. You can go ahead and use that. After that, if you're not finding this, just go ahead and use the class. After that, use the text. And if you are not willing to use the CSS parts, just go ahead and use the X parts, guys. Okay, so I can tell you is the locators are the foundation of Cypress automation. If you master locators, the 50% of your automation problems are solved. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll catch up with another video tomorrow. Until then, peace.